back to my YouTube channel. What a crazy time. Halloween is like my version of Christmas. So I thought this year I would treat myself to a really nice, you know, like sexy looking, proper Halloween costume. So I did some little searching on the internet and I found something on Fashion Nova. And I decided to order the Hospital Risque Nurse costume with thigh garters, which are not included by the way. It was about 80 bucks altogether. The costume itself was about, well, in Canadian, but the costume itself in American was about 64. And then the garters were about 8 bucks. But with shipping and the conversion, it's about 80. So it comes with the stethoscope, the headband, this whole body piece. This is a belt. So it comes with that. I got it in a size extra small, by the way. So I'm gonna lay it out for you and show you how it looks. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. I'm excited. So this is what the outfit looks like on the ground. It's super cute. It fits really well. It really does your curves justice. And they give you a really nice belt that actually has Velcro, so you can adjust to how tight and how loose you want it. I'm gonna try it on now. So again, for me, the fitting was just like really key because I'm really tiny, and often you can buy things in like smalls and extra smalls, and then, you know, like if you turn to the side, be too much stuff back here, or there would be some other malfunction, another part of the outfit, like there's always an issue. But with this, it was perfect. And the only thing is it does come with a stethoscope, and the thing about that is that it will be crunched up, so you have to let it hang on its own, okay? Okay, that concludes our video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I don't know when I will be filming another YouTube video just because university can be a lot sometimes, you know what I'm saying? I feel like I've kind of abandoned YouTube, which is kind of sad because I actually really like it and I like creating content and putting myself out there. It just takes, honestly, it takes time and a lot of time, including like editing, effects. So yeah, thank you so much for being so patient for this video. And I will see you maybe or maybe not in the near future. Okay, bye guys.